Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Nice education here, and welcome to my Unreal Engine 4 FPS series. In today's video, we're going to take a look about the setting up our project for the FPS game, and we are also going to be taking a look at how we can set up a true first-person controller. So what that means, we're going to be showing how to get that realistic look with the legs, and when we look down the ground, the arms, and all the good stuff. So because as if right now the password template does come with our Unreal Engine 4, it does the arms and just the weapon, it doesn't look great. So we also need to download a couple of things for our project, that including the animator starter pack, and that there comes with all bunch of different animation for reloading, shooting, or walking, idling, jumping, and all of that good stuff. So before go to the creating the project, let's go to the animation starter pack. If you are here already, so go and head over to the marketplace like this. Give a couple of time to make that, load that, and we need to access with just type in the animation starter pack, and also you can able to type in here the animation starter pack. If you just press the from the content search, you can able to download this, or it's as to add this project, you can able to add this. And no, we actually do not have any project. We have to create this one. The way they create this, you can able to let the latest engine version. It's for me it's 4.17.2. Give the couple of time to load up, then it does load up. We can create our project and we can add the animation starter pack. So I'm going to skip the video couple of seconds, we can jump straight back into it. As you see here, my project is load up, so we can go over and run out to my new project shade, and I am going to use the third person. From here I'm going to using the third one, but we not going to use the first person template. Like I said, it comes with the first person arms and weapon, which is not be the great. Instead of we using the third person character, which is to get, and yes, where we get the whole body, the legs, toes, and head, and we can add our weapon, everything later on. So ignore the first person, even though it's a first person, we would be changing the third person into the first person. And yes, and now you can go to this and go to the console and maximum quality with this starter pack, this starter content. And next to that, go to the selection control of the location for the project to store the setting, and you can able to check these. In my case, I am using the C with the SSDs loaded up, so I am going to name this project as a tutorial or something great. Once again, after this I will just create. Once again, it will take probably a few minutes of time. I will get back to there. Okay guys, we land into our project. If I play this, you can able to see that I can able to see my arms and legs and the hands. It's really great stuff in here. I can move and jump around this like here. For now, I am not going to bother the assert that animation starter pack. So what today we going not to be I am not doing that. So I am going to add this camera to the make the third person to the first person view camera. Now if I play again, you can able to see clear and motion free less video, so everything is good. So now we are going to the attaching the camera to our player. So first time, go to our content browser and to the third person camera, and no, it's not the third person camera, it's I think it's third person BP, and to the blueprints, and you will have a third person. Open it up. It will take a couple of moments to load up. it will jump into a scene that you have many of type of blueprints. This is not going to bother for us. We are going to first to the viewport, and we are going to make the camera to the parent of the mesh. So select the camera, click the camera and drag it all the way to the point in the till the head, record in. I will make this as little much. I will make this scope off, so I will take this off, and I can able to drag it easily. Now I can able to make this towards the head, so I can able to quickly compile and save this and go ahead to the and play it off. And you can see I can see everything, a foot and a good stuff. So if I walk, you can able to see I can easily walk it on. But there is a couple of bugs to be fixed. Firstly, if I now play it off, you can able to see the red head rocks my. So if I jump or do anything, the head comes on the roll. So it should not be like that. So what I'm going to do, just go and head over to the third person viewer, to the camera, and make the this as a camera to parent of this. Why I'm doing this? Because the character is idling in the idle motion. So click the camera and drag over to the mesh to the make to the parent, and click the follow camera and go here and click head to make the socket to head. If you see here, the camera is rotated all the way around, so I will quickly rotate this off to the 90 degrees, so I will not get actual position. So I am going to turn this on and rotate this, and I can able to make it to the 90 position. So after that I can easily move it off, and I will be light back. Okay, now I get to this. So if I quickly make this, after that go and compile this and save it back. So you can able to go to what is doing this plugin over here. So if we go over to this and save these off and go with this, and if I click on head to the play, I can unable to move this. If I move the mouse, I cannot able to make this. If I move this character, I can able to rotate it around, so it should not be like this, right? So in order to fix this is all the bugs. I cannot able to control the character. If I press the ASD and the mouse, I cannot able to move the mouse, so I cannot do that. So in order to work that, I have to go to the follow camera into the detail panel as a reference to a transformation tool and the socket. Go ahead to the camera setting, and you will have use pawn controller rotation. Check this and go over to to the third person character, and you will have somewhat of into the detail panel pawn, use character controller or character rotation, tick check and save and compile. If I go ahead and quickly play this, head over to this, I can able to move this around, and I can able to walk it, I can able to jump it, and I can able to do everything. It's literally awesome. So that's it guys today. If you haven't liked this video, if you have liked this video, then like and subscribe it. Stay tuned for my more upcoming videos. Stay creative, stay awesome. Nihal Knights EDU signing out. This video is made possible by my supporters on the Dreadeye. If you want more videos like this, then check out my Dreadeye page, is in the link in the description. To stay up to date on my new releases, make sure you have follow me on the main social media.